Auzubillahiminesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class 4th, subject English, topic grammar time, dated 30th of April 2021. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Tahte bacho ashaz grammar time karun. Yath mas grammar az karun. Utlo isho kya chaz is karun. In the previous unit, usas patim unit por, you have recalled the first three parts of speech. Toh pariyo tat maz first three parts of speech pariyo toh tat maz. Yani toh poru otra patmis maz poru ashe im sat is paran is patim lesson ashe pe tat maz chhadun noun, pronoun, adjective. Ithe kanch az is gobrio. Now recall the next three parts of speech. O par was be three parts of speech. Otra per is three. Az par was be three. Ago verb, adverb, and preposition. Verb kya go gobrio? Verb go, a verb is a word that expresses an action. Ach wana gobrio verb as action word the. Yus kam hai, yus ka action hai. Yani playing, dancing, walking, reading, writing, playing, sleeping, washing, cooking, dancing. Use the action word as ach wana verb. The adverb. Adverb kya go? An adverb is a word that can modify a verb. Adverb ch modify kara shakhayat badlawa verb is the adjectives. Adverb ch so word asan yus modify karan ch yus badlav ana ch yus add karan ch meaning adjectives the verbs. Varian jay ya adverbs ich be add karan. An adverb is a word that can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverb chu user add karanch, modify karanch verb as the adjectives. Zad adverb chu banan ly lagan se. Zad adverb chu banan ly lagan se. Kun jay ch kih jay tum yat itne ly lagan ke magar zadan jay ch adverb banan khatir adverb banan khatir ly lagan. And the prepositions. Prepositions kya gaye? A preposition is a grammatical term. Preposition is a grammatical term for a word that shows a relationship between items in a sentence. Each have a relationship. Im zan a sentence ma item asan. Umanchi panway ralawa. Preposition. Yani a sentence grammatical term preposition. It is a sentences mas yum te relationship is asan item and darmiyan tuman chi panway ralawa. For example, ishwana in, on, off, to, under, from, at, with, into. Yumti arm use karan chu. In the box, on the table, from Kunyal, at Ashpora, with me, with her. It can chumzan adverb asan. Yeah, preposition is asan ch. And circle them at least one. Toch karan yet and circle toch goal karing toch circle banawin at least one. Toch uchud ki yatmas you see sentence paro atmas kus verb kus adverb kus preposition. If any in the sentence given below, by writing the first letter of figure of speech in the circle. If any in the sentence given below, by writing the first letter of the figure of each of the circle. तो लिखियो आत फर्स्ट लेटर यानी अगर ये वर्ब छ तो लिखियो आत वर्ड्स तलकन अगर ये वर्ब छ तो लिखियो वर्ड्स तलकन वी युस वर्ड आस एडवर्बस तलकन लिखियो तो एडीवी यानी इस एडवर्ब प्रीपोजिशनस तल लिखियो तो पी इतका लिखियो तो फर्स्ट लेटर या अर्ड लेटर अर्ड हैन अल्फाबेटस यम से तो तार फिक्री कि कुछ आ सेंटेंस में वर्ब कुछ एडवर्ब कुछ प्रीपोजिशन उसो गबरियो गॉडन्युक मानसर लेक is situated at a distance of 62 kilometers from the city of Jammu city pet 62 kilometers gasun is vato Mansar lakes nish. Atmas choice verb kus gobrio verb situated. Atle ko is talken V. Pacho preposition atmas of. Preposition atmas of. Atle ko P. Pacho adverb kus atmas. Adverb should atmas kahay. Yatmas preposition be from. Go yatmas verb ak. Preposition z. Pad gucho is doimi sentences pet. It is a popular picnic spot in Jammu apart from being a holy site for Hindus. You see Mansar Lake yas ak mashhur sayahati jai te tim alav chi Hindu mazhab manan walen hins khatir ak pak jai te. Atmas cho is atmas kus atmas gobrio gwadnethi in Jammu. In you see it's preposition. In you see it's a preposition. Apart adverb. Atlik adv adverb. Apart adverb. From preposition. Preposition. He touched the electric wire accidentally. Emas kar achanak bene बेखबरी मज कर इलेक्ट्रिक यानी बिजली तार थप अत मज क्या यह टचड यह टच कोर्मुत यह गोस वर्ब टच एक्शन यह वर्ब पे ये मज एक्सीडेंटली यह एडवर्ब एडव एक्सीडेंटली यानी अचानक मज लज अमिस इलेक्ट्रिक तार थप चोरिम वी हैव ए वेरी difficult time these days. As khatir ch az variya mushkil waqt. We have you see have it's verb bite. Have ch verb bite. We have a very difficult time in these days. Atmas chun adverb kahay, atmas chun preposition kahay. Pachim, there are some ancient temples on the banks of Mansar Lake. Mansar Lake nish asa ch ke pran temple te which are visited by the devotees. Yod zan akidat mand evan ch. Atmas choice on preposition. Atmas on preposition. Of preposition. By preposition. Atmas adverb. The verb kahay. Visited atmas verb. Prepositions on, of, verb visited, by preposition. He speaks English well. He speaks English well. He speaks English well. Speaks verb. You should English bolan bad sahi pad. It was an extremely sad scene. Yas was ak gamgeen scene ak. Extremely was a verb. Extremely choose adverb. Pachurtiv, there is a wildlife sanctuary near Mansar Lake. Mansar Lake is nazdik chak wildlife sanctuary ak. It is famous for spotted deer, spotted deer, nilgai, water birds such as crane and ducks. Cranes, the ducks shine. There is a wildlife sanctuary near adverb. Mansar Lake, it is famous for spotted verb. अच्छा अम पे नयम शी वॉज एब्सोल्यूटली करेक्ट सस एब्सोल्यूट यानी बिल्कुल सही वॉज वर्ब एब्सोल्यूटली एडवर्ब But Maya solved the question carefully. Maya solved goes verb. Carefully goes adverb. But Mansar Lake is surrounded by hills. Mansar Lake is in the hills. Atmas surrounded verb. By preposition. Ubu is driving a car. Driving atmas verb. Kam karin. Rahul is eating lunch. Rahul khawan giza. Lunch karan kenas eating atmas verb. The cat is under the table. Brr table tal atmas under verb. Under atmas preposition. The cat is under the table, under preposition. The cat is under the table, under preposition. The dog jumped into the river. Dog and share what? River asmas. Jumped use each verb, each come. Into choose preposition. The pen is in the bag. Pen bag asmas. Is verb. Into preposition. The phone is on the table. Phone table aspect. Is verb. On preposition. Phone table aspect. Raja is watching television. Raja wuchan television. Watching verb. Maya is sleeping. Maya shingeth. Sleeping verb. He drinks tea from the cup. Is chai cup search. Drinks choose verb. From choose preposition. It can third as gobrio iman mas कि कुछ adverb, कुछ verb, कुछ preposition. तो करियो इतना कनी पन text bookन पे solve. एम पे read aloud. यम rhyming words गई. यमन आवाज सेम मगर डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स यानी मानी अलग अलग मगर आवाज हिशी नेरान. इस परो यम ले केक बेक, ले केक बेक, ले केक बेक, rich which ditch, rich which ditch, rich which ditch, would should could, would should could, would should could. थावन गोबरो राइमिंग वर्ड्स पारें बी याद करें उतनी गो आज बाकी वसलम अल्लाह हाफिज.